Hi everyone, so the water pump has now arrived, so this is the first phase of me trying to diagnose the newest drivetrain error. So it's obviously a used one and it wasn't exactly cheap. It was, I think, about £107 and pump and the postage. It's slightly different from the one that's in there just now, and you can actually hear the one that's there running just now. It's just on all the time whenever you unlock the car, which shouldn't happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flush this one with water and just plug it in next to the pump that's already there, and imagine that if this pump's good and it's actually the pump that's the problem, then the drivetrain error should just go away. And then what I'll do is just take it down to my local mechanic and they'll just swap the pump out and refill the cooling system, and that'll be it. Okay, so the pump has just been plugged in next to the old one and it's been primed. We'll turn the car on and see what happens. Usual bullshit. Same problem by the looks of things. See if the drivetrain error comes up. So I'll just unprime that just now. Okay, so I've tried again. Charging cable's disconnected, vehicle's just in drive position, and I'm just waiting to see if the drivetrain error is going to come up. I don't think it has so far, but there's still time yet. So if it's not the water pump that's the problem, then either it's the wiring going to the EDME, which is probably quite unlikely. The EDME is somewhere in here. To replace the EDME module, it's going to cost about £100, but to be honest, I'd rather throw parts at this rather than taking it to BMW, paying them hundreds of pounds an hour, and who knows what they're doing in the workshop. At least this way it's more honest. Oh, one other thing I forgot, I need to put the fan relay back in, because with the faulty water pump, the fan at the front of the car was just running loud all the time and making a horrible noise, so I've got to plug that back in, see if it helps. Okay, here we go, so final test. I just switch the car on. So you can hear that pump running outside. If I remember correctly, it's normal for the pump to start up. Well, unfortunately that fan at the front's just come on, which isn't very good. So I'll just wait and see if the drivetrain error comes up. But by the looks of things, it's like the drivetrain error isn't coming up anymore. So it looks to me that it's a dodgy EDME unit and I'll need to replace that.